What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to fix the outlet blocked air on the Petlibro automatic cat feeder. I think I have a cat approaching me from the side here because she's curious what I'm up to. But yeah, you can see it tried to dispense some food. Didn't really do its job. It says outlet blocked. What that means is this thing is clogged with kibble right here. And thankfully you don't have to actually open the app or do anything in the app. You can fix it right from the machine here. It's kind of the same as the rotor stuck air. You unlock the buttons, open the door, stick your hand in, and then let the kibble fall through. So let's do that. So first things first, you want to press the unlock button here. So hold this.
Buttons unlocked.
Okay, the buttons are now unlocked. You can now open the door. So you don't need a cat here even though she's right here, right next to me here. I could use her to open this door with her collar. It's fine, we don't need to. So then you can just stick your fingers in here and then just free up the kibble. You'll feel it, it'll be stuck, and then it'll just come down. And just like that, that's all there really is. You don't have to worry about, the door might close and you can repeat the process if you didn't finish it, but you don't have to worry about your hands getting stuck. This thing's not gonna spin the rotor and try to catch your hands while it's doing it. It's totally safe to stick your fingers in there. Okay, so to ignore the name for her there, there's just a little nickname we have for her in the house. Okay, so let's try to dispense some food. You can already see the error is gone though, because it's now saying her name. So yeah, you can come have some kibble. Come in. If we even want to do a feed, we can do buttons unlocked.
Buttons unlocked.
And then you can press the feed button. And you can hear it, and now it's actually dispensing some kibble. The rotor is no longer blocked. There we go, guys. That's all there really is to it. You just stick your hand in there. You don't really have to go up top and like mess with the rotor like the other air. You just stick your hand in, free up whatever kibble's blocking the outlet. The air will either go away or not go away until you do another feed, and then once you do the other feed and the kibble comes through, the air is gone. So that's it, guys. That's how you fix the outlet blocked air on the Petlibro automatic cat feeder, RFID cat feeder. Hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you did, drop a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.